Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from YouTube Partner Program, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw earnings from the YouTube Partner Program, start by signing in to your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Monetization. Review your current earnings and ensure you meet the payout threshold, which is $100. Next, go to the Settings section located at the bottom of the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, click on Channel. Then select Monetization from the available options. Here, you will find information regarding your payment settings. You need to set up an AdSense account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to create an AdSense account by providing your payment information. Once your AdSense account is created, link it to your YouTube account. After linking, return to the Monetization section in YouTube Studio. Ensure all necessary tax information is provided and confirmed. When your earnings reach the payout threshold, you can initiate a withdrawal. Go to your AdSense account to manage payment settings. In AdSense, select Payments from the left sidebar. Check your balance, it must be at least $100 to be eligible for withdrawal. To withdraw, click on Withdrawals and select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions for your selected payment method to complete the transaction. After submitting, monitor your AdSense account for confirmation of your payout. Once processed, funds will be transferred to your chosen account. Make sure to regularly check for any updates or policy changes regarding payouts. That's the complete guide to withdrawing earnings from the YouTube Partner Program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.